Explore WrxFlo's cutting-edge digital factory solution. Powered by AI, revolutionizing your manufacturing process with real-time insights for both manufacturing and support teams. This innovative system dynamically tracks the progress of your production, reshaping the way you manage manufacturing operations. Upon receiving customer orders, WrxFlo assesses material availability, automatically green-lighting orders ready for production. Workstations are intelligently prioritized for order processing. Operations teams benefit from instant access to all necessary information for the assigned order, including tools, gauges, digital drawings, and material status and locations. WrxFlo's digital factory provides timely alerts to operators, ensuring jobs stay on track and addressing potential delays. Production quantities can be manually input or directly read from machines. Support teams can send alerts directly to the workfaces needed. As products are manufactured, WrxFlo seamlessly updates order status in the ERP system in real time, facilitating swift progression to the next order. A comprehensive dashboard allows support teams to monitor real-time production status and drill down to specific details for each order. WrxFlo employs QR codes to track products as they move through the factory. User-friendly setup and configuration screens empower users to promptly set up or edit new parts or processes, immediately integrating them for use. Adding WrxFlo's MRP scheduling and warehouse module elevates value even further. The warehouse module ensures efficient order picking through mobile devices, guaranteeing timely delivery of parts to each station. With WrxFlo's MRP and scheduling modules, you gain an intelligent interface that automatically plans, schedules, and tracks customer orders upon receipt. Orders are strategically scheduled to optimize factory performance and meet customer delivery timelines. The WrxFlo ecosystem of modules was built by engineers and software experts through years of experience in designing, building, and running operations. WrxFlo are trusted by some of the world's leading brands. The WrxFlo team have expertise in lean methodologies, with the latest high-tech software that engages all stakeholders to deliver the best solution for your company. Solutions designed by users and delivered by WrxFlo.